Got a no cool call right here. I checked the indoor unit, fan blowing. Turned the thermostat all the way down like 63. So I came outside because I saw the fan was blowing. I felt the suction line, and it wasn't cold. So I could tell the compressor wasn't running. I came out, you could see the capacitor. You see it puffed up on top. I can already tell it's bad. Got oil leaking out the top too, if you can see that. So I'm gonna see if I got that. I think I got that 45 on the truck. So I'm gonna go put that in, and hopefully that does the trick. After I get it running, I'm gonna check and see if it needs to be cleaned. Let me see. It doesn't look real dirty, but they told me they haven't cleaned it. So I think I'll clean it anyways and check the charge after I get it running. The fan motor was running. I turned it off. So yeah, that's it right now. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it going with that new capacitor, and then check the charge after I clean it. This is a Linux, older model. Looks like a 05, I think. 5805. Yeah, I think so. Alright. Let me see, is this what we got? 410, 410A. Okay, yeah. So it must be a 05. Okay.